I'm not smiling because I'm happy about it, but I'm smiling because I'm shocked. But yeah, so I was a little bit hesitant on making this video, but I'm here to be honest with you guys and just to like show you all my experiences with the car. And so obviously it's gone now. Let me explain what happened. So I was trying to get a video for Instagram, and by the way, this was like, I want to say it was a little bit over a week ago. So I was trying to get a video for Instagram because you guys know, if you guys are from my Instagram, you guys know that I like to post videos. And what happened was I was in Sport Plus, and then I downshifted and I accelerated like immediately after. And usually that's not a problem. But this time when I did it, for some reason, I think the car had like some kind of hiccup. And I think that like kind of shocked the car. So maybe like it was expecting more oxygen and it wasn't getting what it needed. So it wasn't like accelerating as hard as I thought it would. And the check engine light started flashing and I was like, holy shit. So I pulled over immediately. I was kind of in a panic because I didn't expect it to happen. I pulled over immediately, I turned the car off and I was like, oh shit, what is going on? And then I turned the car back on and it was gone. And I started driving normally, like just in comfort mode. It was working properly. And then after a couple minutes, I put it back in Sport Plus mode and I accelerated and all the boost was there. It accelerated hard, like it was as if nothing ever happened. I tried to do some research because like right now, during like this quarantine period, you're not supposed to be out, but I'm just gonna go to the grocery store. I can't just go to the Mercedes dealership and ask them like, hey, what's going on during this time because of the quarantine and the virus and stuff. So I did some research online. So there was 3 probable causes. The first common cause was that maybe the gas cap got mislodged a little bit and that triggered the check engine light. I still went to the back, I opened the door, I twisted the cap off and then I turned it back on just to like hear the click and stuff, so just to make sure that the gas cap was on properly. So the second most common reason that I read online was because of bad gas. And that kind of like triggered my memory a little bit, and I remember I did get 93 gas, I got 93 octane, but it wasn't from Shell. And it wasn't from like Mobil 1 or anything or Sunoco. It was from like, it was kind of from a shady gas station. That's my fault. Yeah, I know it's my fault. That could have been one of the causes, or like it could have been a combination of bad gas and something else. So the number 1 cause could have been because there was a shortage of oxygen. I do think that was the issue. I think it was just like a shortage of oxygen and bad gas combined. But at the end of the day, it's gone. Like the check engine light is gone. All the boost is there, it accelerates normally. Like I tried it again, nothing happened. So I think it was just one of those freak things. But do you guys think I should get it checked out after this whole quarantine thing is over? Like all the boost is there, there's no weird vibrations, it accelerates hard like it usually did. Like nothing is wrong with the car. Like it's operating normally. If this has happened to you guys, or if something similar happened to you guys, let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM on Instagram. But yeah, so there you go. That's gonna do it for this video. If you guys learned something new, or anything, if you guys want to help me out, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that way you guys know when I post, and follow me on Instagram, link below. See you guys in the next one.
Don't finna jump for the shit, all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rap shit. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there.